Ladies and gentlemen, it is time for the biggest IPO in stock market history. This is our once-in-a-lifetime chance, a generational opportunity, especially for us young people, to get in on the biggest company in the world early on and get our piece of the pie. Now, I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not going to sell the hype in this video that you're going to be a millionaire overnight. You're not going to turn $1,000 into $1 million in one day on this stock. There's no options. It's an IPO. And honestly, only around 5% of the float is available to the public early on. I think it's somewhere around 3-4% actually of the entire shares of this company are going to be traded the first day and months following. About 95% of the stock is currently held by insiders who can't buy or sell. And of course, Elon Musk himself, who is set to be the first trillionaire this summer. Now, the boots on the ground here in Austin, Texas, it is optimistic right now. I live about 10 minutes from the Tesla factory down the road here. Things are boiling right now. The stock market's at all-time highs, and people are talking about the SpaceX IPO in June. Now, last summer, I visited the Starbase down in Brownsville, Texas. Let me tell you guys, that place is otherworldly. No pun intended, guys. It feels like you're somewhere else, like on Mars or something. It is crazy down there. Regardless of what you think about the environmental concerns, everything, this company has potential in the future. This IPO is an opportunity. I'm going to walk you through the first day and my analysis on how I'll make money on this IPO on June the 12th, assuming it IPOs on June the 12th. So it is currently being estimated that when SpaceX goes public, it is set to be valued around $1.5 to $2 trillion automatically, which would make it a top 8 company in the world by market cap. That is ridiculous, guys. Apple's 4.5 trillion. SpaceX would be half of Apple on the first day. I mean, inflation, everything, it's crazy. It's a crazy time right now. There's money being printed, I know. All-time highs everywhere. But this is just ridiculous, guys. So the goal this summer for SpaceX is to raise about $75 to $100 billion after they go public. That's retail investments and, of course, just institutions buying up shares. Now, again, that's only like 5% of the company is available to be traded on. There's no options early on, no calls, puts, anything, no shorts. It is just shares. And this thing will go up early on. They're going to make money. People are optimistic. They're bullish about it. That's a lot of money up front, though, in the first summer. Let's see some of the biggest IPOs in stock market history and how much value they raised after their IPO. That's the time between the first day and then the lockup period. So when investors can sell their shares they were assigned before the IPOs, that time period is the value raising, the money raising period. And the biggest one ever was the, Chinese company Alibaba, $21 billion. SpaceX might 5x that amount in the first few months. That is ridiculous. Of course, Facebook, AT&T, and then Uber actually had a big IPO back in 2019. But guys, the capital raise is going to be insane. Hundreds of billions of dollars, mostly from retail investors that might get rug pulled in a few months, but hopefully not. So here's the biggest first week IPO jumps of all time. And a few of these went down, obviously. Facebook dropped after their IPO. People didn't like the stock. Facebook's kind of muddy right now. The last 10 years has been kind of flat for them. But yeah, this thing's going to be insane, though. If it jumps, 20% the first week, that's like hundreds of billions of dollars of money flowing in. It is going to be generational. But where is the profit for this thing? Are they actually making money, guys? Look at Tesla. Tesla's stock is not, the fundamentals aren't there, guys. They're not making the money that it is valued at, the trillions of dollars, and a Tesla stock goes up for years. They're not selling as much. What is going on? Where's the money coming from? Is there any profit? Is it all fake? Yes, SpaceX has lost money, but they get tons of, money flowing in for contracts and everything. The one profit maker right now, the big one, is Starlink, which launched, 7 years ago or whatever, 8 years ago now. I mean, I recall watching summer 2019, about 7 years ago. I watched Through the Sky as they launched one of these Starlinks, and you'd see about 30 satellites in a chain moving slowly across the sky. It was one of the craziest things I ever saw in my life, seeing those satellites up there in a long line as they pull apart from each other in orbit. Now, there are other companies that are fighting for this market. Amazon's up there. AST Space Mobile, also a Texas company. I have the shirt of this company. It's a startup, it's small, but the stock's doing very well right now. Any space stock or space-oriented stock right now is pumping off of the SpaceX IPO right now. It's crazy. Rocket Lab. And then Lunar, obviously. I lost money in Lunar last year. The lunar lander, it went on the moon and it tipped over. And the stock dropped 20% in one day. Since that day, it's up like 200%. It's ridiculous. I'm not a big believer in space stocks, honestly. They're mostly fraudulent, mostly hype. But SpaceX obviously is the main player in this sector. So where's the profit? It's up there in the sky. You look up at night, you see the satellites, you see that's profit. That's Elon Musk's $1 trillion up there, floating around, giving you internet access wherever you are. It is crazy stuff. So guys, my prediction for the first day of the IPO on June 12th, assuming it's June 12th, that's a Friday, which is kind of weird. Who IPOs on a Friday? But I'm going to be in Nevada this day. And of course, the stock market opens at 9:30. It's going to be very early in Nevada, 6:30 a.m. I'm going to wake up, watch the first hour of this stock, watch the movement. So my plan for June 12th, 2026, the SpaceX IPO play is going to be buying around 10:30 a.m. So assuming it IPOs early on in the day, like immediately in the morning, I'm going to wait an hour, watch the price movement, and then buy at 10:30 a.m. So I'm going to go all in with my investment in one lump sum, buy shares at 10:30 a.m. I am expecting an 8% price increase on this day. It's going to drop early on. I know the S&P is going to be scared. Some of the big ETFs are going to be frightened early on because this thing does affect some big markets. It's a big mover early on. We've never seen a stock move this much with so much value in one day. It's going to be kind of scary. It might scare markets the first hour. Things might drop a little bit. As investors flee, they'll come back. Retail comes back later in the day. This thing melts up the rest of the day. 8% increase on day one. SpaceX. That is SPCX, ticker symbol. And then I expect my value. So personally, for me, it depends on your risk tolerance, your portfolio, everything, how old you are. I am dropping $6,000 into SpaceX on day one. I intend to sell around at $6,500. That is an 8% increase right there. And then going to the following Monday after the weekend, I do not endorse, well, really, I don't endorse anything in this video. I am not a stock analyst, a financial advisor, a portfolio manager. I am not responsible for your wins or losses. This video is solely entertainment purposes only, but on Monday, I expect a slow start for this stock. I do not endorse holding this stock over the weekend, but if you do, I anticipate a 3% return on Monday. So guys, it is coming. This is it, the biggest IPO in American history. It's a big year for the stock market overall. It was down the first 3 months. It's way up now, the biggest bull run in our lifetime. It's insane, really. Yes, there's low volume in some markets, but things are moving up right now. So guys, if you disagree, put in the comments below. Please comment your plan for this SpaceX IPO, if you intend to buy shares, if you're sitting out, whatever. And guys, have a great rest of your summer. It's a great time to be alive in the markets. We're having fun. Stay tuned for more sports videos and finance videos, world news, vlogs, everything. We're having fun here. Thank you again for watching, and follow my Instagram at Pacillac. I will see you guys next time. Bye.